Back for another Coaching Mean Insight. And this is a follow-on video insight from a piece, two pieces that I put out day before yesterday and yesterday as well, on setting boundaries, communicating your boundaries properly in relationship. And I got 3 points to make as a follow-on from that. Number one, don't bitch and complain that people don't respect your boundaries. First, ask yourself, how have you been contributing to creating that situation in the first place? So take ownership. If you don't first take ownership, you can't change anything. If you're in a relationship from the beginning, did you let your desire and need to be liked prevent you from stating what you don't like and like? It's quite normal in new relationships when two people like each other and are getting to know each other that they would suppress and hold in what they truly think and feel because they don't want to rock the boat or because they don't want to disrupt the beautiful thing they got growing there, right? So bottom line, take ownership. Second, in any relationship, have you clearly communicated what you like and don't like? Have you communicated what you value and don't value? This is, of course, tied to point number one about taking ownership, but have you been clear with that person in the first place? Or have you just been assuming and living with the delusion that the other person should know what you don't like and don't want? Third, this third point comes from point number 1 and 2. If you're the type that holds things in and does not communicate what you like and don't like, or what you'd like more of or less of, while expecting the other person, your partner, to just read your freaking mind, then wake the fuck up. No one is going to read your mind. Suppressed words leads to suppressed emotions. Suppressed emotions, negative ones especially, leads to resentment. And resentment, my friends, is the beginning of the end of your relationship. So wake up, communicate clearly. And look at it this way. When you communicate clearly your likes and dislikes, even if your partner or that other person doesn't like or agree with you, the worst that could happen is that the relationship ends, right? But if you suppress what you want to say and how you feel long enough, it will eventually end anyway, and likely in a nasty way. So the question is, worst case scenario, do you want the relationship to end now? Or do you want the pain and suffering for years to come and eventually leading to the end of the relationship anyway? So of course, that's the worst case scenario. But most of the time, communicating clearly, empathetically, and with the intention of building a stronger relationship together leads to a more positive outcome. The time to start communicating your boundaries clearly is now, not tomorrow, not next week, and definitely not next year. That's all.